When it comes to web hosting for developers, the right platform can make or break your workflow. So, if you've been asking yourself, InMotion hosting versus WP Engine, which has better developer tools, you're in the right place. Both of these providers offer solid options, but there are key differences that could impact your choice. Stick around till the end, because I'll be revealing a better alternative, plus an exclusive free trial offer. Let's dive right in. First thing to consider is the user interface. Both InMotion Hosting and WP Engine have intuitive dashboards, but WP Engine's interface stands out a bit more. They've put a lot of focus on simplifying things for developers, offering an easy-to-navigate backend that doesn't feel cluttered. InMotion's interface is decent, but can feel a little dated, and might take a bit longer to get used to if you're a developer trying to jump straight into work. Next, let's talk about performance. Both services provide fast page load times, but WP Engine tends to excel here, especially when you're dealing with WordPress-based sites. Their server optimizations, including caching and built-in CDN, give it a noticeable edge for performance-heavy applications. InMotion Hosting offers a solid speed too, but might need more tweaking on the back end for the same level of optimization. Now, onto the developer tools themselves. WP Engine comes packed with a variety of built-in developer tools. They offer staging environments, version control, and one-click backups, all of which streamline your workflow. WP Engine also integrates with Git, which is a huge plus for developers. But, and this is important, while the tools are solid, they can be a bit more locked down. You don't get as much customization control as you might like. On the flip side, InMotion Hosting is a bit more flexible for developers who want more freedom. They offer SSH access, Git support, and the ability to manage multiple sites with ease. However, InMotion's dev tools feel a bit less polished compared to WP Engine's. The lack of seamless staging environments and more basic backups could be a deal breaker for some. The next thing to consider is scalability. WP Engine is more enterprise-focused, meaning if you need to scale your project as your needs grow, WP Engine can handle that with ease. However, this comes at a higher price point. InMotion Hosting is better for developers working with smaller or medium-sized projects, as it's more affordable and offers solid scalability options, but lacks some of the enterprise-level features that WP Engine offers. The fourth thing is customer support. Both companies offer great customer service, but WP Engine support tends to stand out when it comes to developer-specific issues. Their support staff is often more versed in technical queries, so if you run into a coding issue or need help with advanced configurations, you're likely to get faster, more accurate assistance with WP Engine. But the fifth thing, and this is where it gets interesting, is the cost. InMotion Hosting offers more affordable plans, especially for smaller sites and developers who are just getting started. WP Engine's pricing can get steep, especially if you need access to all their advanced developer tools, which could make it less appealing for those on a budget. So, both InMotion Hosting and WP Engine offer solid developer tools. However, after trying both, I can say they're not the best options for every developer. If you're looking for more control, better developer-specific features, and a platform that's built with customization in mind, there's an alternative that beats both of these options. Take advantage of the free trial linked in the description below. With our link, you'll get the best exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else, so don't miss out. Trust me, after trying all of these, this platform will provide you with the best developer tools for your needs.